On this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how you can make hands-free income with our turnkey system and new tool that was just released that essentially sends messages for you on autopilot. Now, this was just added to the community of a home business academy. It doesn't matter what products you are on. So even at the $10 product level, you can get access to the software. And what they've done is made this as simple as possible for the new person, the struggling person to go out and start getting paid 80% residual commissions. So what I want to do first, I just want to show you the turnkey system. Now I've shown this many times before. It's just simple. You go to affiliate once you decide to get started by going to the link in my description. You go to affiliate, you click on your system right here, your turnkey capture page system. It looks just like this, and you're done. That's it. You don't have anything to set up. It's ready to go out the gate. Now, the next step is just to get people here to this system. Now, the system, what it's going to do, it's going to send them to a sales page. It's going to send them emails automatically that are written by the founder of the company. They're on a warmed up domain, so you're not having uh, emails going to spam. Like other systems, they use the same emails. Everybody gets the same emails sending out, same subject line, same emails on different domains, and that triggers the spam filters. So the messages actually don't hit the inbox of the leads. So it's really not doing any good. It's really not following up with anyone. Your prospects are not seeing the follow-up messages. So that's a problem. With this system, you do. With this system, it will filter out bad emails. Okay. So if it's like a bot or something, it will not allow it to go through. It has things in place where it will, and it's already built in, like you don't have to do anything. So you're going to get good leads, verified leads coming through. These are real people that are going to be able to see the follow-ups, go to the sales page, and so forth. The other thing I want to show you real quick is the sales page, and I'm not going to go through the whole sales page, but I do want to show just a little bit of the sales page because that's the next step. So people come in through here, they put their information. Next thing they're going to see is the sales page. 3-minute video explains how everything works, turnkey system. You have Sage here that will answer questions and take your leads, answering questions and takes them through the sales process. So it will ask closing questions and you will get signups through this system. Now, if someone is using this, you will get an email saying someone's on the page using Sage. So you'll know that you have a hot lead. Everything is designed for the beginner in mind, or that person that's been struggling for a while to make any money. Everything is designed to be as simple as possible. Now, keep in mind, this program is 10 years old. It's already proven. They didn't have a turnkey system before. That was like the missing piece. They had everything else. So the foundation is already built. It's not like other programs that just slap a system, a done for you system, so-called done for you system on there, and they have crappy programs, products. This actually has solid products. They are already built those products out and the community out before they even added the turnkey system. So they kind of did it backwards, but it's kind of a good thing too. So you have quality, quality, quality all the way around. Quality support, quality value. You can be proud to promote this. And this system that you're looking at right here, the sales page answers every question a person can have, either through here. So you can go through, look at the products, watch videos, watch demos, all on the page. Shows you how much you can earn with so many referrals, how much has been paid out in real time to the affiliates. All the products are here, like listed. So your lead, your prospect can come to this page and learn all about this without ever having to ask a single question to you. It's all here. And then if they still don't have the answers to their questions, it's all laid out here. They can come over here to Sage and ask questions of Sage. Okay, even your pictures on here. I mean, they thought of everything. Everything is here. So that's the turnkey system. Now, what's the missing ingredient here? Like, what is most people going to go in and ask, like, what's the number one question? When you have a turnkey system, number one question is, how do I get leads? The number one question. I don't care who you're talking to. That's going to be the question. How am I getting leads? Because for whatever reason, nobody knows how to get leads. There's people everywhere, but that's what they want to know. How do I get leads? And what's really cool is the owner of the co-founder of Home Business Academy, Paul Hutchings. He decided he saw this as a problem that needed to be solved, and he created a tool. Like, he built the tool himself that goes and messages your friends on Facebook automatically. There's 5 preloaded messages already in there, all based on proven script strategies. And there's also syntax, so it mixes up the messages. But it will send out 10 messages a day automatically. You don't have to do anything. It will send those messages out automatically for you. And these are just invites. So now you're getting your information. You're inviting people to your system, plugging them into the system. The system's going to work for you. So problem solved. Now you have leads. You have a turnkey system that can pay you 80% residual commissions. I don't know what else you want. And on top of that, you have the whole product line of Home Business Academy that is designed to teach you how to be an effective marketer. This system is designed to get you up and running fast so you can start making sales. But if you want to go deeper, if you want to really master the art of marketing, you can learn that here. You can use the products to make your own custom funnels. I mean, there's so much you could do here. There's coaching 5 days a week by 6 and 7 figure earners. Like, literally everything you need to be successful online and in life is provided in this company. So that's really all I wanted to share with you. I'm going to share with you some of the messaging that has gone out so you can see already. Like, right here, here's one of the messages that went out. I didn't send this. This was done while I was doing spin. I was on the spin bike and this message went out automatically. And you can see, um, hope all is well in your world. I just came across something that made me think of you. It's an online business that's pretty unique. Honestly, I've never seen anything quite like it. Anyway, it looks like it could have some pretty good potential. So I wanted to reach out to see if you'd be open to taking a look. So it's a well-written message, and these change up. So I'm going to show you another one. I'm going to go down to this one here. Again, I didn't send this. The system sent this. I was busy on the spin bike. Hope your day is, and it will only send out 10. It goes very, very slow. And it will even show you like how long it's going to take for all those messages, all your friends to be messaged. Also cool features about this system, and I'm not showing you because it's running on a different window. It runs in Google Chrome right on your computer. Very easy to install. One button is all you need. First thing it does is load all your friends. Next thing you do, you select what friends you don't want to be messaged. So you can click, you'll go through and check those boxes. And then what it will do, so like if they're already a Home Business Academy member, for example, so if they're already in the program, uh, what happens is it will skip those people. It tags them and it will not message them. Another cool feature is it will not re-message people you already messaged. And also throughout the community, throughout Home Business Academy, if let's say you have the same friends as other members and they're messaging, it will not message those people if they've already been messaged. So that's really, really cool. Again, this tool, let me just show you, is available even at the $10 product, which is Let's Go, which is a fantastic product, which is a product that's going to level you up in life, all areas of your life. In my opinion, everybody needs this product, in my opinion. I don't care how successful you are in life, you can level up because this product, I use this thing every day. Even if I don't log in, I still use it because I'm aware of the things that I need to do each day, but they're all right here. Meditate, pray, gratitude, visualize, purpose, affirmations, stretch, reading, exercise. All these things are going to level you up in life. Reading, even a speed reader, so you can load documents, load books right in there and there's a speed reader in there. It gets you reading faster. There's a habit tracker. So I just have two here. I have video and I have exercise. I just keep it really simple. I did miss, so my streak started over because I got sick and I wasn't able to do anything for a few days. I was just in bed. I couldn't do anything. But I'm aware of this. Even if I don't come in here and check the boxes, I'm aware that I put this on the habit tracker and it like triggers something where I have to go and get this done. So for me, it's make a video and it's exercise. Those are the two things that I have on here, but you can put as many as you want. It's fantastic. Nutrition tracker, there's a journal. I mean, this is a fantastic product that you will use that will benefit you in every area of your life. I mean, I just don't see how it wouldn't. Stretching, exercise, reading. I mean, everything that is going to level you up in life, even visualization, affirmations, gratitude. I mean, notes. The notes are all throughout the program too, so you could take notes whenever you like. Like if you're on one of the trainings, you can take notes. I mean, it's just a fantastic product. You can start for as low as $10. You get a turnkey system, and you get a tool that auto messages for you. Literally everything has been taken care of for you, so you can have success. Literally everything. And they even tell you what to say when someone messages you back. So you could be off at work, you could be at the beach, you could be at the movies, you could be like I was doing on the spin bike. I was going for a walk this morning with my wife. All this stuff was working in the background. I'm not doing anything. And it's working for me. Like, how cool is that? Like, that's a dream come true. I know when I started in 2012, I could only dream of having something like this, something that pays this much, something that's this simple, and now a tool on top of it. I used to pay up to $150 a month for a tool that would message people. Now it's included free, even at the $10 product. It's absolutely insane. Of course, I don't recommend only doing the $10 product. I recommend going all in, purchasing all the products. That's what I did. That's how you get ahead the fastest. That's how you position yourself to make the most money. And understand this: you have a turnkey system that does the work for you. You have a tool that does the inviting for you. Like there's nothing else to do. I mean, if you want to go make videos, like I said, there's training that's provided, live training, recorded training, and this is going to teach you how to be an effective marketer no matter what it is you want to do. It just so happens this system's so freaking simple, based, it's backed by a solid 10-year program where they do everything with principal center leadership. They don't change the comp plan. They only add more and more and more value. I mean, this is like a dream business. It's a business in a box, ready to go out the door, nothing to set up, and you don't have to go and pay for payroll. You don't have to go get a domain. You don't have to go get an autoresponder. Like you don't have to go and do anything. It's insane. It really is. If you think about it, you get paid 80% residual commission. You can't do that anywhere. Imagine being a car salesperson, right? And you go and sell a car and you make 80%. And not only you make 80%, but that 80% commission comes back to you the next month and the next month and the next month and the next month. It's unheard of, right? Real estate, what do you make, like 3% commission? I mean, 80% commission. It's insane, okay? It really is insane. Unfortunately, in the online space, people have been misled to believe that, and believe me, I'm not against getting paid multiple levels from other people, right? But there are different ways to leverage. When you get 80% commissions, when you have a community that provides the support for you, when you have systems in place that do the heavy lifting, that do the emailing, that do the closing, it's backed up by live support 5 days a week. Like that's leverage. And you get to keep the majority of the sale. That's what you call leverage. I can tell you from experience, I've built other companies and I put in a lot of people. I put in a lot of people. I built big teams. But the problem is because you don't make 80% commissions. Maybe they give you a fast start of like 50%, maybe 60, 70%. But then the next month, it's like what, 3%, 5%? And then if you don't have a team that's growing, if you don't have leaders, if you don't have people going out and making things happening, then you're not making residual income. You're making extremely little money. And I speak from experience because I put big numbers in. And yes, I get the fast start. But then when you have people that the problem is you can't control what people are going to do. Most people don't have the desire level that you have. So if your income is based on that, like it's going to be a tough haul. Like I mean, yes, you could argue that yes, I can go and I can work really hard and I can bring people in and I might get a leader. I might get someone that's going to go out and have a huge network and blow everything up. You could argue that. That is possible. I'm not saying it's not. But I mean, for me, I prefer to get paid more residually. I prefer to get paid more residually because I know what that can do. 2024, I injured my back so bad I couldn't do anything. I literally had to lay on my back. I could barely even lay down. I couldn't sit, I couldn't stand, I couldn't walk, I couldn't get to my desk, I couldn't do a damn thing. But guess what kept happening? The residual income from this program kept coming in month after month after month, and I couldn't do a damn thing. And that was before we had a turnkey system. That was before we had a tool that auto invited people. so, so it's to me, it's quite insane that we have all this. And I'm sorry I'm going a little long on this video, but I really am excited about this because for the longest time I've been saying that this program is different. This program does it right, and all we need is something to be really stupid simple so people can really get in the game and start earning so they could see those wins. And now we not only have a system, but the traffic problem has been taken care of too. Like, no, it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen right away. But I mean, it's all about being consistent and doing income producing activities consistently. That's what's going to produce sales for you. And with this tool, you can do an income producing activity, a proven income producing activity that makes sales faster than putting up short videos, putting up long form videos like that. That works. It just takes time. But going directly to the source, which is the people have your money, going out, exposing them to this system that's done for them, that has a tool that does the heavy lifting. And when they understand that and they see how much they can make residually, it's kind of like a no-brainer because there's nothing like this around. There's not a single program that is operated in this fashion where the founders believe in just giving back. They just believe in giving back. They believe in giving more and more and more value without charging you. It doesn't exist anywhere else. I haven't seen it. I've been online since 2012. I've experienced many, many different programs, and I've never seen it. Okay, not until this program. So if you like that, go to the link in my description. You're going to see this page. Go ahead, put your name, put your email, go through the system, read the book, read the emails, go through the sales page, talk to Sage, and ask yourself, could I do this? Would this work for other people? Like, and then the fact that you have a auto messenger, like it just removes the obstacles. Like now it's like, where do I find people? Well, you have people. This does it for you. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you. I know it's a little long, but I really truly am excited about this. This is just like amazing to me because it's just something you can be proud of to share with people. And I'm going to get way more aggressive doing this so because I believe a lot of people need this. There's a lot of people who need more money these days, and there's a lot of people that are in programs that are not paying them hardly anything. They're working way too hard for way too little, and they're getting bamboozled. They really are. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you. See you next time.